Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how Spain was conquered by the Arabs. The invasion began in the early 8th century when Muslim forces crossed the Strait of Gibraltar, landing in the Iberian Peninsula. At this time, the Visigothic kingdom was significantly weakened by internal conflicts and political instability, making it vulnerable to external pressures. This initial landing marked the beginning of a swift and impactful conquest. Following their landing, a pivotal moment was the Battle of Guadalete, where the Visigothic king Roderick suffered a decisive defeat. This victory opened the way for Muslim armies to advance rapidly across the Iberian Peninsula. Many cities and towns fell quickly, often with minimal resistance, as the existing power structures crumbled under the new military force. The newly conquered territories were soon organized and named Al-Andalus, establishing a significant Islamic presence in Western Europe. Cordoba was designated as the capital city, becoming a vibrant center of learning and culture. Islamic rule introduced new advancements in science, philosophy, and the arts, often fostering periods of religious tolerance among different communities. Muslim rule in the Iberian Peninsula endured for nearly 8 centuries, leaving an indelible mark on the region. This era saw remarkable advancements in various fields, contributing greatly to European knowledge. While the Reconquista eventually led to the gradual reclamation of territory by Christian kingdoms, the initial conquest and subsequent Islamic presence profoundly shaped Spain's unique cultural identity and heritage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.